Assalamu alaikum viewers. 65 video annual weeks and days, especially for Socion users and for all who interest in general knowledge and clear any entry test. February 5 is observed annually as Black Day, Masters Day, Accession Day, Kashmir Solidarity Day. 5 February is observed annually as Kashmir Solidarity Day. Kashmir Black Day is observed on Feb 5, July 13, October 24, October 27. Kashmir Black Day is observed on October 27. Valentine's Day is a special day for lovers, celebrated on 26 March, 14th Feb, 16 April, 23 April. Answer 14 Feb. International Women's Day is 8th March, 9th April, 25 January, 16 March. Answer 8th March. International Women's Day. Labor Day is observed on 1st April, 1st May, 1st November. Answer. Labor Day is observed on 1st May. International Literacy Day is celebrated on 4th August, 8th September, 15 September, 21 September. Answer 8th September. World No Tobacco Day is observed on 15 May, 25 May, 10th May, 31 May. Answer. No Tobacco Day is observed on 31 May. Earth Day is observed on 22 April, 10th April, 1st April, 15 April. Answer. Earth Day is observed on 22 April. 7th April is the day of Peace Day, Human Rights Day, World Health Day, Water Day. Answer. 7th April is the day of World Health Day. International Day of First Aid is observed on 14 September, 3rd December, 23 December, 15 December. Answer. 14 December, 14 September. Internationally, World of First Aid is observed on 14 September. Which day is observed as the World Day for Water? 15 March, 20 March, 18 March, 22 March. March is observed as the Water Day for World Day for Water. 22 March observed as the World Day for Water. World Press Freedom Day is observed on 3rd May, 13 May, 15 May, 18 May. Answer. World Press Freedom Day is observed on 3rd May. World Environment Day is observed on 15 June, 5th June, 25 June, 13 June. Answer. World Environment Day is observed on 5th June. 11th July is observed as World Maritime Day, World Population Day, Universal Children Day, World No Tobacco Day. Answer. 11th July is observed as World Population Day. Pakistan Day is celebrated on 14th August, 23rd March, 6th September, 28 May. Answer. Pakistan Day is celebrated on 14th August. International Day of Seas is observed on 13th December, 15th December, 17th December, 19th December. International Day of Seas is observed on 15th December. Commonwealth Day is observed on 15th May, 10th May, 24th May, 8th May. Commonwealth Day is observed on 24th May. World Food Day is observed on 5th October, 10th October, 8th October, 16th October. World Food Day is observed on 16th October. World Meteorological Day is observed on 23 March, 15th March, 18th March, 5th March. World Meteorological Day is observed on 23 March. 29th December is observed as International Women's Day, World Telecommunication Day, International Day for Biological Diversity, Human Rights Day. 29th December is observed at International Day for Biological Diversity. World AIDS Day is observed on 15th December, 21 December, 25 December, 1 December. 1st December is observed as AIDS World Day. 22 UNO Day is observed on UNO Day is observed on 15th October, 24th October, 21 October, 5th October. Answer. UNO Day is observed on 24th October. World Environmental Day falls on June 5, November 14, October 2, November 19. Answer. June 5. February will have 30 days after 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, 400 years. Answer. 30 days after 400 years in February. World Postal Day is observed on 9th October, 18th September, 25 December, 1st June. Answer. World Postal Day is observed on 9th October. Friendship Day is observed on 6th May, 6th August, 17 May, 19 May. Answer. 6th August is observed as Friendship Day. World Disabled Day is observed on 1st December, 3rd December, 5th December, 13 October. Answer. 3rd December. Road Safety Day is observed on 1st June, 2 June, 3rd June, 4th June. Answer. 3 June. International Tourism Day is observed on 23 September, 25 September, 27 September, 29 September. Answer. International Tourism Day is observed on 27 September. International Day for Heart is observed on 30 September, 25 November, 28 November, 21 16th December. Answer. International Day for Heart is observed on 30 September. 8th March is observed as Women's Day, Children's Day, Teachers' Day. Answer. 8th March is observed as Women's Day. International Anti-Corruption Day is observed on 6th December, 8th December, 5th December, 9th December. International Anti-Corruption Day is observed on 9th December. Thanks for watching. Subscribe please.